just can't sit back and watch you waste your life away. You need to get a job because the bills need to get paid. Get off your lazy ass, Alfie, please use your brain. Surely there's some walls out there that you can go and spray. I'm feeling guilty for leading you astray. Now how the hell do you ever expect that you'll get laid when all you do is stay and play in your computer games? I only say it 'cause I care, so please can you stop pulling my hair? Now there's no need to swear, please don't despair, my dear mon frère. Oh, little brother, please refrain